guys, it's Kelly, and today I created this sunset look, and it is inspired by a makeup artist on Instagram. I will have her linked down below in the description box, or I'll just put her name right here. But I really like how this turned out, and give this video a big thumbs up if you like it, and subscribe for more. And I'm not in my usual intro spot because it's nighttime. But yeah, let's go with the video. So first up, I'm doing my brows, and I already have sorry, I'm sick. And I already have a little bit of excess product in them. I'm just going to touch them up. I've been loving brow powders recently. I don't know, it's just like, I love this Ulta brow powder. So now I am using the ELF brightening concealer and carving up my brows. And just priming my eyelids as well. Now for the eyes, I'm going into my Shady Cosmetics palette. And I'm taking this hot pink shade and really working it into my lid. I'm doing kind of an angled look. I don't have any tape, so I'm just gonna make it angled with concealer, but I'm also starting by putting the eyeshadow kind of on an angle from the outer corner of my eye. Now I'm taking this orange shade. Yeah, this orange shade. I was trying to decide which orange shade. And I'm putting it above the pink and making sure to blend it really well, or else it'll look really messy. Now this yellow shade isn't the best yellow shade, but it's the only yellow I have, so I'm going to put it above the orange. Oh, that blends in extremely nicely. I know if I get comments, I'm going to get comments like, eyeshadow's not supposed to go up to your eyebrow. But it can. And that's what I'm doing. Now I'm carving out my half cut crease with the ELF brightening concealer. I'm not doing as big of a half cut crease as I normally do, but I'm still doing a pretty big half cut crease. And this is the Miss Rose Shimmer Highlighter, and I got it from a drugstore, and I realized it looked a lot like the Fenty Beauty, so I'm going to put that, like you can't really see the yellow right here, so I'm going to put that in place of the yellow, because it is a yellow highlighter, so like it'll work. So I just popped on some lashes. These are from my friend Sarah. They're the Tartiest Pro Lashes in Flirt. And, so now I'm going to go into primer. I'm going to go into primer. Taking the Absolute Flawless Face Primer, and this is a new one. Like, it's not a new primer, but it's a new in my collection because I had to repurchase it. It's just such an amazing primer. So now I'm trying out this Smashbox Camera Ready CC Cream. I saw Adeline use this, like Adeline Morin, so I kind of wanted to try it out. You know, I'm not really a fan of CC, well, if you are on my channel, you know, I'm not really a fan of CC creams. I mean, like, full coverage foundations, but, I like I don't know how to pronounce it. I have a review up. It's my last video on the CC cream, and that was really good, so I decided to try out another CC cream. So now for concealer, I'm going into the Urban Decay Naked Skin Concealer, or what's left of it. I'm running out, but it's such a good concealer, and I'm just doing my normal concealer. Nothing new here. So I'm just going to bronze out my face using the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil bronzer. I look pink on camera, but I swear I'm not pink in person. I'm going into the Huda Beauty 3D highlighter palette, and I'm taking a mixture of this gold and this pink, just because it would be like the sunset shades. For lips, I'm going to be using the Urban Decay Vice Liquid Lipstick. Just something a little bit more simpler on the lips. Finally, I'm going to be using setting spray now. I have the full size of the Cover FX setting spray, but I got the mini version first, so I want to use up the mini before I, like, use the full size, so